Ethan! Where is he? What? Move! Where is he?
My boyfriend's in the car. He's shed though. He's outside.
Where?
Go to the back. Go to the back. Go. He's out there.
Someone needs to come in from the rear. Armed suspect still in the area. Hey, let me see your hands! Where? What? Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! He's got a gun. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, man! Bro, drop the gun! Get back inside! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, man! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, man! Bro, come on, man! Bro, come on, dude! Come on, man! Talk to me! Just throw the gun away! Just put the gun away, man! Dude, come on! Put the gun away! Put the gun away! Put the gun away! Put the gun away! Put the gun away, man!
Stay over there!
Get back here! Alice, behind the blue truck! Hey! Come on, man! Come on! Yes, behind the blue truck! Come on, bro! Come on! Alice, I'm going over there to take cover.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun, man! Drop the gun, bro! Bro, come on, dude!
Drop the
Drop
gun!
the gun! What's your name, man? What's your name? Bro!
Let me see your hands!
Bro! Drop that gun, man!
What's your name, man? It's not worth it! It's not worth it, man! Just
Dude,
drop
no!
the gun!
Drop the gun! Shit! Drop that gun, man!
Drop the gun!
Who shot? Bro! Bro! Let's come out,
Drop your
man!
gun! Drop your gun! Throw it in front of the truck! Throw it in front of the truck!
Bro, come on!
Throw the gun in front of the truck!
Bro! I know. Hey, someone, who's going behind me? Go. Put your hands up!
Put your hands up!
Come on, man!
It's not worth it, man! Put the gun in the front!
Better not pump that gun out again, man. You already pointed it at us once, man. Hey, bro, come on! I know. Hey, bro, come out, man! Hey, man, come out! Come out, dude!
It's not worth it, man! Put the gun down! It'll be
Come
better
on, man.
if you just drop the gun, man! How old are you? How old are you? Do you have kids? Come on, man. I'm not talking to you like that.
Hey, bro, come on, man!
Everybody turn off their sirens coming up.
I'm not talking to you like that, man. Just drop your gun. It's not worth it, man.
Turn off your sirens. Just turn off your sirens.
Bro, come on, dude,
What's
just
your
drop the
name?
gun!
What's your name?
Drop the gun, man! Drop the gun, man! Bro, come on! I know. I'm gonna hold my gun. The family's all in that house right there in that back room. Yes. But sir, stay inside!
Stay
Stay inside! Bro, come on, man!
Inside. Ryan, get the people out of the house, Ryan!
Somebody get the family out of the house.
Get the family out of the house.
Bro, come on!
Drop the gun, man. I can see it in your hand. Just
Drop
it.
that gun, man! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it, bro! Bro, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop that gun, man! Drop the gun! Come on, man, you're surrounded! You're surrounded, man! Just Come on! It's all worth it! Come on, man! Just come out! Hey, bro, what's your name, man? Stop! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Hold! 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 It's Hold fire! Hold fire! Hold fire! Drop the gun! Hold fire! Tackle him! Drop it! Ceasefire! There, drop it! Shit, man, he's still moving! He's still moving! Stop! Hold fire! Hold fire! Hold fire! Yeah, attack reload, Alex! He's still got the gun! He's right there! He's right in front of me! My line of sight! No, he's moving! Hold on! Yeah, that us! He's still moving! He's still moving! Oh! Stop! Hey, hold fire! Hold fire! I know! Hold fire! He can't move! Just wait, man! Just wait! What you got? Put your hands up! Hands up, man! Put your hands up! He's getting shot up. Stop moving! All right. Put your hands out! He's down. Just hold. Hey, little man team! Watch your crossfire! Go. 2, 3. Combat, please! Move up! Guns underneath him. And we got a victim in the shed. On fire! Suspect down. On fire! Yeah, check reload, Alex. He's still got the gun. He's right there. He's right in front of me. My line of sight. Let go of the gun, man. No. He's moving. Hold on. Yeah. That us. He's still moving. Oh! Stop! Hold fire! He's still grabbing that gun. I'm not. Hold fire! He can't move. Yes, he can. He's got his hand on his gun. Wait, man. Wait. Hold right in front of the truck. He's still got his hand on the gun. Hands up, man. Put your hands up. Stop moving. Okay. He's down. Hey, he's down.